Boyim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Elimelech from the Zhensk. This week's Parshas Mishpatim. In the book of Exodus, chapter 21, verse 1, we read, Ve'ela Mishpatim, and these are the judgments. Mishpatim, another explanation of these are the judgments. The Scripture tells us that a king with justice causes the earth to stand. There is such a saint that he has the power in his hand to turn strict judgments, to sweeten them and turn them over to mercy. This is the meaning of the king with justice. That someone who's on this level, this archetype, is a king over justice. Meaning on strict judgment. Yamid Aretz, that the earth stands. Vish Trumos Yarsena, and a man destroys his offerings. So the word Truma, which means an offering, really means something that's lifted up. Because there's a different type of saint who lifts up and rises up the world constantly to God and to the worship of God, may His name be blessed. Such a saint destroys the judgments, the negative energy, that they don't come at all, and he doesn't need to sublimate them or sweeten them. So that's the meaning of what it says. These are the judgments which you set in front of them. Or it means to say, the judgments you set in front of them. Some saints will sublimate them, sweeten them to mercy. Or the second way is that they shouldn't come at all, to hold them back, and so we shouldn't have to need them at all. It's easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.